Storytelling and the use of costumes and puppets is a universal method of engaging an audience. Because it is auditory, visually stimulating, and kinesthetic, it transports individuals from a passive learning mode of show me and tell me to an active doing learning mode. By engaging multiple senses, the information becomes personal and retention is longer. This is especially important when learning about complex environmental processes. The superheroine Captain Artemia, a giant female brine shrimp, was often the narrator I used to guide students and adults on their journey of discovery through the ecosystems of the Great Salt Lake. The puppets and costumes were often the first introduction many had to learning about a specific ecosystem and impacts upon its health by human activities. Discussing the role of poo in nutrient cycling was always a group icebreaker. Illustrating the connection between the excessive use of fossil fuels and retraction of glaciers and ice sheets worldwide is the primary focus of the carbon cycle costume and puppets. As most adults and children do not understand the carbon cycle and its role in global warming or the dynamic interactions occurring between land, water, air, and energy, using puppets, costumes, and banners can dramatize these interconnected cycles. Connecting photosynthesis and respiration can be introduced prior to a discussion on the worldwide impact of human consumptive activities upon global warming trends, and how dust from pollution, combustion, volcanic eruptions, and increases in temperature also contribute to the Arctic albedo effect. While our Earth is covered by 71% water, the warming of our soils increases our release of CO2 through physical and microbial actions. The differences between natural and anthropogenic releases of deep carbon deposits can be quantified through an examination of volcanic eruptions versus the extraction and combustion of fossil fuels. Whatever attitude to human existence you fashion for yourself, know that it is valid only if it be the shadow of an attitude to nature. The ancient values of dignity, beauty, and poetry which sustain it are of nature's inspiration. They are born of the mystery and beauty of the world. Henry Beston.